Welcome to Everyday English Excellence. Today we're going to practice should have. Should have. These questions and answers are designed to help practice the phrase in various contexts, including missed opportunities, regrets, advice, social interactions, travel, work, and other. Each question prompts a response that naturally uses the phrase to help reinforce its correct usage in conversation. So, let's get started.
Did you say hi to everyone at the party? Did you say hi to everyone at the party?
I should have, but I was too shy. I should have, but I was too shy.
Why didn't you invite John? Why didn't you invite John?
I should have, but I forgot. I should have, but I forgot.
Did you thank the host? Did you thank the host?
I should have, but I was in a hurry. I should have, but I was in a hurry.
Why didn't you go to the party last night? Why didn't you go to the party last night?
I had to work late. I should have told my boss earlier that I had plans. I had to work late. I should have told my boss earlier that I had plans.
Did you meet Sarah at the conference? Did you meet Sarah at the conference?
No, I should have called her before I left. No, I should have called her before I left.
Why didn't you bring an umbrella? Why didn't you bring an umbrella?
I should have checked the weather forecast. I should have checked the weather forecast.
Why did you miss your flight? Why did you miss your flight?
I should have left home earlier. The traffic was terrible. I should have left home earlier. The traffic was terrible.
Did you finish the project on time? Did you finish the project on time?
No, I should have started it earlier. No, I should have started it earlier.
Did you win the game? Did you win the game?
No, I should have practiced more. No, I should have practiced more.
Why are you so tired? Why are you so tired?
I should have gone to bed earlier. I should have gone to bed earlier.
Did you understand the lecture? Did you understand the lecture?
I should have paid more attention. I should have paid more attention.
Why did you get lost? Why did you get lost?
I should have brought a map. I should have brought a map.
Did you enjoy your trip? Did you enjoy your trip?
I should have stayed longer. There was so much more to see. I should have stayed longer. There was so much more to see.
Did you pack everything you needed? Did you pack everything you needed?
I should have made a checklist. I forgot my toothbrush. I should have made a checklist. I forgot my toothbrush.
Did you visit the museum? Did you visit the museum?
I should have, but I didn't have time. I should have, but I didn't have time.
Why did you catch a cold? Why did you catch a cold?
I should have worn a jacket. It was so cold outside. I should have worn a jacket. It was so cold outside.
Did you take your vitamins? Did you take your vitamins?
I should have, but I forgot. I should have, but I forgot.
Why are you feeling unwell? Why are you feeling unwell?
I should have eaten healthier. I should have eaten healthier.
Why didn't you get the promotion? Why didn't you get the promotion?
I should have taken more initiative. I should have taken more initiative.
Did you complete the report? Did you complete the report?
I should have, but I got distracted. I should have, but I got distracted.
Why did you get in trouble with your boss? Why did you get in trouble with your boss?
I should have followed the rules. I should have followed the rules.
Why did you have an argument? Why did you have an argument?
I should have been more understanding. I should have been more understanding.
Did you remember your anniversary? Did you remember your anniversary?
I should have, but I forgot. I should have, but I forgot.
Did you call your parents on their birthday? Did you call your parents on their birthday?
I should have, but I was too busy. I should have, but I was too busy.
Why did your phone break? Why did your phone break?
I should have used a case. I should have used a case.
Did you back up your files? Did you back up your files?
I should have, but I didn't. I should have, but I didn't.
Why did you lose your data? Why did you lose your data?
I should have saved my work more often. I should have saved my work more often.
Why did you fail the exam? Why did you fail the exam?
I should have studied harder. I should have studied harder.
Did you complete your assignment? Did you complete your assignment?
I should have, but I ran out of time. I should have, but I ran out of time.
Why did you skip class? Why did you skip class?
I should have attended. I missed important information. I should have attended. I missed important information.
Why didn't you attend the wedding? Why didn't you attend the wedding?
I should have RSVP'd, but I forgot. I should have RSVP'd, but I forgot.
Did you send a gift? Did you send a gift?
I should have, but I didn't have time. I should have, but I didn't have time.
Did you bring a date? Did you bring a date?
I should have, but I came alone. I should have, but I came alone.
Why is your house so messy? Why is your house so messy?
I should have cleaned it earlier. I should have cleaned it earlier.
Did you remember to lock the door? Did you remember to lock the door?
I should have, but I forgot. I should have, but I forgot.
Why is your garden overgrown? Why is your garden overgrown?
I should have taken care of it. I should have taken care of it.
Why are you out of money? Why are you out of money?
I should have budgeted better. I should have budgeted better.
Did you save for retirement? Did you save for retirement?
I should have, but I didn't think about it. I should have, but I didn't think about it.
Did you invest in stocks? Did you invest in stocks?
I should have, but I wasn't sure how. I should have, but I wasn't sure how.
Why did your car break down? Why did your car break down?
I should have taken it for a service. I should have taken it for a service.
Did you have an emergency kit? Did you have an emergency kit?
I should have, but I didn't think I'd need it. I should have, but I didn't think I'd need it.
Why did you get stuck in the storm? Why did you get stuck in the storm?
I should have listened to the weather warnings. I should have listened to the weather warnings.
Did you watch the game? Did you watch the game?
I should have, but I was busy. I should have, but I was busy.
Did you remember to feed the cat? Did you remember to feed the cat?
I should have, but I was running late. I should have, but I was running late.
Did you bring snacks to the meeting? Did you bring snacks to the meeting?
I should have, but I forgot. I should have, but I forgot.
Did you buy groceries? Did you buy groceries?
I should have, but I ran out of time. I should have, but I ran out of time.
Why is your project incomplete? Why is your project incomplete?
I should have worked on it during the weekend. I should have worked on it during the weekend.
Did you remember to pay your bills? Did you remember to pay your bills?
I should have, but I missed the deadline. I should have, but I missed the deadline.
Why are you late? Why are you late?
I should have left home earlier. I should have left home earlier.
Why did you forget to call your friend? Why did you forget to call your friend?
I should have set a reminder. I should have set a reminder.
Did you finish the book you were reading? Did you finish the book you were reading?
I should have, but I got distracted. I should have, but I got distracted.
Did you exercise this week? Did you exercise this week?
I should have, but I didn't have time. I should have, but I didn't have time.
Did you take out the trash? Did you take out the trash?
I should have, but I forgot. I should have, but I forgot.
And that's it for today's video. I hope these simple conversations help you improve your English. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. See you in the next video. Bye!